can I show you a card trick?
Yeah,
Yeah?
of course.
Pick a card, any card. Yeah? Any card at all? Yeah? Thanks. Take a look at it, show it to the camera, don't show it to me though. Yeah?
Yeah.
Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Right there.
Yeah.
Put it back in.
Yeah.
Okay. And I'm going to show you a couple of different ways to shuffle the deck of cards. This is called the overhand shuffle. Most magicians can do that, but yeah. And we also have the riffle shuffle. It's like this. Yeah? Maybe you remember that one?
Yeah,
You've seen it before? Have you seen this one?
Oh, really nice.
Yeah, I call it Grandma. Yeah, I call it Grandma. And I also have this one. I call it, hi, my name is Caroline Raven. I am the coolest female magician in the world. And it looks like this.
Oh.
Yeah, it's very cool. Yeah. So, can you remember your card?
Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah?
No.
Ace of clubs.
Yes.
High five!
High five, yeah.